One More Book Mama.
Welcome back to One More Book Mama, where we read our favorite stories. Today's book is Little Monster Trucks Go by Doug Cenko. Hope you enjoyed today's story. Today's book is being read with permission by the author and the publisher, Blue Manatee Press. Thank you. Scrappy little monster trucks are revved up for a race. Engines roar and the people cheer. But who will get first place? They're on their marks. They're in a row. They're ready, set, and ready. Go! Sir Smash and Glitz are neck and neck. Catnip and Shark build speed. Big Cheese zips up the middle lane and takes an early lead. They dash down curves and twists and turns, each go their separate ways. Through hidden caves and loop-de-loops, their driving skills amaze. Oh no! Monster wheels are spinning muck. A muddy swamp. They're getting stuck. With secret gadgets, they're in luck. Tires grow spikes, and some inflate. One truck sprouts legs so it can skate. Drenched with mud, they hurry on, but now they find the bridge is gone! A monster leap with mid-air flips. The gap's too big. They'll drop like bricks. What else is in their bag of tricks? Switch is set to flying mode. Blades extend and wings unfold. They soar across the missing road. The trucks shift into higher gear, but up ahead, oh man, the road's not clear. There's nowhere else that they can steer. With all their strength, they can't break through. But there's one thing left that they can do. Fenders flip and bolts unscrew. These trucks are forming something new. On their own, they had no shot. But together, they become a monster bot! Yeah! The crowd goes wild as they cruise by. The judges meet and then reply. Not one winner, but a 5-way tie. As the people cheer and cameras snap, little trucks take their monster victory lap. The end. Who was your favorite monster truck in the story? My favorite was Shark. If you love Kids Read Alouds, be sure to follow me on Instagram at onemorebookmama. New videos every week. See you next time.
One More Book Mama.